Mission Control at T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. We have main engine start. We have ignition and liftoff. Liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket carrying the second Mobile User Objective System mission for the United States Navy. MUO significantly enhances communications for U.S. forces on the move. You'll be hearing the voice of Matt Donovan providing launch vehicle
and we are in
data.
the zero angle
Let's
of
listen
attack
in for
phase of
mission
flight.
progress.
The booster roll program has been completed. We've hit Mach 1. Now going through the region of maximum dynamic pressure.
LCRC-1, ORC, new T0, 1300 Zulu is approved.
And we have SRB burnout. Looks good. The vehicle is continuing nominally. And we are now throttling back up to our 2.5G segment. We have SRB jettison, good indications of jettison on the first two and the next three SRBs. Q alpha steering is now enabled.